Yo! Mm, mm, mm. It's finally silent. Yeah, I'm playing awesome. Dang it. Shut up! Oh my god, he's Superman. Okay, I'm a pro at this. Well, to me, I am. Die! Warning! Okay, I'm gonna try and make this kid friendly. I'm going to try! Feels like I'm live. I wish I was, but I don't know how to go live. My twin! Well, am I friends with him or something? Come on, try get like 8 kills. Cause try get 8 or 7. Come on, just beat 7 or try get 7. Oh, crap! Dang! I don't want to get disconnected. No, die! Yes, mate. Try get 1 kill. And I died 2 times by I don't know. I'm a grandpa. DJ Kit 420. Wow. I'm handsome. Idiots! Oh, she probably saw that, so I'm dead. No! Can't kill me today. Okay, twin. We have to be careful. Oh my god, some people are dead. Trying to shoot me. And I keep falling. Seriously, by a stupid ball? I almost got him. Did you see that? And look, there I am, the grandpa. In my eyes, are black as cloud. Oh, wolf! Dang it. Who took over me? I need to kill someone. Die! Well, at least I tried. Die! Hello, you idiot! XD! Oh, bye, boy. Bye, boy. No, come back, come back. I want to dance with you. He's so funny. Okay, guys, I'll be in the eyes. Too bad I haven't. I don't even. What? Okay, I'm gonna just go yellow. How did it kill me? Hold on. Yep, I can't join that team. And lunch. Don't like this. 4 freaking teams. Flipping ow! Flipping ow! Hey, go sub to Jermaine. 2007360p. Ah! No! Kill him! Kill him! Kill him! Yes! In the house. Oh no, XD. I don't know how to go live. That's so sad. Well, you saw that I got a new gun. I kill peeps and goes up to the boy that's on my screen. Jermaine _ 200736060p. What a weird name, I know. Destiny. Hold on, let me see if I can go live. Give me a minute, guys. I say, give me. Sad. Okay, just give me. Okay. After this match, I'm gonna end it here, cause I can try go live. Try find out how to. I just wanna go live. La 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 la. What? Some idiots. Oh! Come on, I got minigun. What? XD. 800 bullets. Boy! 800 bullets! Midnight sky. Just end it here. You saw that. He was. Oh, don't know what's going on. Right. I won. Yay, teammate. Yes, I'm with a pro. Lucky bye, I guess. Okay, guys, I'm gonna go now. See if I can go live. See ya.